Welcome to the Toy Story Review. We're going to open up the rest of the 2 packs. Which one do you want to save? This one or this one? No. Go good. Oh! That's a hit. That's definitely a fusion. Get that in. Tyranitar. First one a Tyranitar. Who ever got a Tyranitar in the back? That's hard to pull. We got a Tyranitar. I can't believe we just got it. That's a big hit. Yeah. You're stressed. Sorry guys, it's a feeler. We did get one hit, that was a Tyranitar. And it's a very rare Pokemon. Peace. We're going on to the next